Cleaned the K75. Cleaned it really good. I'm waiting for the fan to kick on. So we got some water in there. Yeah, I scrubbed it top to bottom. Takes forever to get warmed up, doesn't it? It's just steam. Oh, this part here was super dirty. It was filthy. Much cleaner now. I mean, you gotta get these like road grime splotches out of there, but no leaks. And the beta also got cleaned. This is being put away for the winter. So, how clean it is though. Clean bike. I put some carnauba wax on the plastics, some leather conditioner on the seat. How clean that is. Isn't that beautiful? So it's all cleaned up, ready to put away. The oil and transmission fluid was changed as well. And I also Heather's car, but I didn't actually detail it. I just did a hand wash. It was pretty dirty. I love how, I don't like silver cars, white, black, or silver, but I love the way the Volkswagen did this. It's called reflex silver, but it's more like a liquid metal. It's a good silver. It's a really, really good silver. It almost has a tint of like blue and red to it. Just a quick hand wash of hers, no big deal. I love how this K75 looks clean. There's patina, but there's gonna be, right? I cannot wait to ride this thing though. I so want to ride it, but it needs so much more work. And there's Rosie over there, which she needs a whole bath, but I'm still riding her for a couple more weeks. We do have a forecast of snow next Friday, so that might get cut premature, but I don't want to wash her until it's time to actually put her away. For that part. Nice cheap insurance. Here's our engine oil side right here. Here's our plug. Yours probably looks a little bit different than this, but I've changed it out. Alright, so here's the engine side. Just loosen that up. Again, you don't want any dust getting in there, so just let some stuff through. Now right here is your engine oil filter, and we'll be taking that out in a few minutes once this fully drains. Now, you might think it's fully drained, but the motor is on its side right now. You're going to want to lift that up. Let it completely drain